Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. So I had a couple of questions in the Wire Makers Club on how to make a hoop for either earrings, pendants, or even ornaments, and have like a little loop to dangle a bead in the middle. For the earrings, I'm using 18 gauge tinned copper wire for the frame and 20 gauge to dangle a bead. And you'll also need your flat pliers, cutters, and round pliers. And for sure you're going to need a round form. I'm using a pill bottle to make the loop. So I have about a 6 to 8 inch piece of 18 gauge wire, and a couple inches from the end I'm just going to use my looping pliers. You can do a 2 or 3 millimeter loop, and I'm going to take this and just do my loop. So we'll just wind it around to make the loop like that. Now I'm going to get my pointier round pliers and just slip it inside the loop and just bend it up. And it's going to be in the center of that loop. So now we'll flip it over and take your pill bottle, slide it in here, and we want to make our round form. So just take this, bring it all the way around, and then this loop is just going to sit on top of the pill bottle. Take this all the way around, make sure it's snug, and then wind this around. You can just stick it on the table so it doesn't move. Around once and twice if you want. You could do once or twice. So now it's perfectly centered, and you're going to clip it. Now we're going to take our round pliers. This wire is just coming around the front, so we're just going to bend this the opposite way and then make our loop. Once you've done your loop, I hold them with my flat pliers and then I wind it back. And you'll see this wire is getting wound in the opposite direction of that wire, so when you flip it over, they're just going to meet each other at the back. And then we're just going to clip that. And then you can push these in so there's no gap in there. And then we're going to adjust this. There we have our circle with the loop. You can kind of push it around if it's not sitting flat. So now we'll take about 1.5 inches of 20 gauge wire, cut the end flush, take your round pliers and make a little loop. You can also use a head pin if you prefer, but if you're doing a loop, I do the loop and then bend it so it's centered. And now take your bead, stick it on there. We're going to cut this at 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And then I want this a little more discreet, so I put it perpendicular to the heart. We're going to hold this with the round pliers, bend it that way, and close it up. And then we can stick it on the loop. So we're just going to take that, stick it on the loop, and then you can get your needle nose pliers, get it right in there and close that gap. Now we'll take our flat nose pliers or chain nose pliers, open up the earring hook, stick this on here, close it up, and there you have your very simple hoops with the little dangling heart beads. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.